Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. So today I'm here with this Kroger weekly ad coupon matchup for the sale that will run from Wednesday, October the 10th through Tuesday, October the 16th. And look what we have again. Buy 5, save 5 mega event. Lots of participating items, but as always, come back on Wednesday because there's hundreds of other items that are in this mega event that they just can't fit in the ad. That's how Kroger always does it. So come back on Wednesday, and I will have a video up probably Wednesday evening of all the participating items that are in this mega event. Because, like I said, they cannot list them all in the ad. So you might look through this ad and say, yeah, there's nothing I really need, but do not just rule out the mega event because there's always better deals than what is just in this ad. So also, if you haven't checked out the current Kroger videos that I've done for this week's sale, click the little line in the top right corner and go check those out because there are some really good deals at Kroger right now. And always, I would appreciate it if you would print the coupons using the links I will have in the description box below. It really, really helps me out when you do that, and it allows me to continue to bring you these videos. So please, please do that. And yeah, let's just dive right in. And remember, produce and meat prices do vary. We have 88 cents a pound for red or white seedless grapes. I'm not too impressed with this. The Friday, Saturday deals, we had the private selection in the Simple Truth low-cal ice cream for $1.99. Here we have Lunchables with drinks for 99 cents. Buy one, get one free, boneless chuck roast. 2 for $3 for whole cantaloupe or personal seedless watermelon. And then here is a deal. It's 88 cents for Cliff, Luna, or Mojo bars. It also works on Chobani yogurt and vitamin water. This is kind of a confusing deal. What you need to do, you need to pick up 8 of the Chobani yogurts. Now you need to get 4 of the Flips variety because there is a $2 off of 4 digital coupon for that kind. And then there is also a digital coupon for the Hit of Flavor kind, or you could use this insert coupon. I do apologize. I can't remember where this came from. This has a limit of 1, so you have to use a digital with it. Just $1 off any 4. So if you use the $2 off 4 digital and this $1 off 4 insert coupon or the $1 off 4 digital coupon, it makes them 51 cents each as an average price, which is a really good deal for these. That's over half price. So really great deal there. We have $2.99 for the pork back ribs or boneless pork tenderloin, $6.99 for the extra large easy peel shrimp, 3 for $10 for Pepsi or 7-Up, and I've been seeing best customer bonus coupons for $2 off of 1 Crush 12-pack. So that could be a good deal if you like Crush. I think that's a part of this. I'm not sure. I think that's a Pepsi product. I can't remember. $5.99 for Starbucks coffee. And then we have 88 cents for Kroger eggs. And that could vary too, because I know a lot of people have eggs for cheaper than that. All right, and then here we're going to talk about the mega event. We have 99 cents for Quaker Chewy bars. And for the Chewy bars, we have this coupon. 75 cents off of any 2, and that came back in the 99 Retail Me Not. So after you use that coupon, it would make them a really, really great price. So go for that one for sure. Goldfish 99 cents and Juicy Juice for 99 cents. Now this deal only works if your store takes expired coupons. We have this $1.25 off of any 2 Juicy Juice product. I don't remember the insert from that either. I want to say it was 99, I'm not sure. But if your store takes expired coupons, you could get a really great deal. It'd be 75 cents for 2 Juicy Juice after this coupon. So hopefully your store lets you do that. But I know that's not like official or anything. Here we have Bird's Eye frozen vegetables or Kraft salad dressing. Buy 2, get 1 free. Free Kraft salad dressing when you buy 2. So it's buy 2, get 1, and this coupon will make them $1.98 for 3 dressings, which is a great price. Here we have the Big G cereals. They're $1.79. We have $1 on 2 internet printable. I'll have in the description box below print. And Saving Star has $1 back for buying 2. So it makes them a pretty good price at 79 cents a box. Here we have these big Kroger cheese or the Frigo Head string cheese. There is a 75-cent internet printable for the Wisconsin kind. So that'd make those $4.24. Here we have the Nathan's Beef Franks, $3.99. And then here we have Nabisco Chips Ahoy or Fudge Stripe, or it's just any Keebler cookies, $1.49. For the Thins, we have this 55-cent coupon that came back in the 9/16 Smart Source. So it'll make these 94 cents, which is a good deal for those. We have $2.99 for the Ice Mountain Spring Water, $2.79 for Hellmann's Mayonnaise, and $1.99 for some Cheetos. Let's just keep on with the megas. Keep that going. All right, we have $5.99 for Javalio or Maxwell House, and actually that's cheaper right now. It's $4.99 on sale, so don't wait on this. We have $6.99 for P.F. Chang's meals, and then here we have Pepsi and 7-Up for $1.99, and there are $1 off 2 Peelies. A lot of people have been finding on the 7-Up, so it makes it $1.49. We have the Halo Top and the Haagen-Dazs, $3.49. All right, so the Kashi cereal, they're $1.99, and I found this $1 off 2 Peely coupon over at Walmart, so that would make those $1.49, and then the Silk Almond Milk is also $1.99, which is a good deal for that. Here we have the Quaker Instant Oatmeal. It's $1.49. There's $1 off 2 Tear Pat. A lot of people have been finding for pumpkin spice flavor, so that make that 99 cents. $1.49 for Dannon yogurt. What else do we have? $1.79 for Ritz. $3.49 for the Dave's Killer Organic Bread. We have $6.49 for DiGiorno. Stuffed crust. Here we have Sargento cheese. It's $2.49. We have this 40 cents off a 2 insert coupon from the 926 Smart Source. So it will make it $2.29, which I don't think is a good deal, honestly, but if you're loyal to that, then there you go. $7.99 for these Gatorade 18 packs. That might be a good deal, depending on the ounce. I'll have to look into that. And Tide, we have this, it's $4.99, and we have this $2 off on Tide Pods, so make it $2.99. And we have a $2 off on Tide Liquid, so it'd make it $2.99 for the Liquid Tide. $2.49 for some V8 or the Mio. $1.99 for Solo plates, cups, or bowls. $2.79 for Dawn dish detergent. $5.49 for Energizer. $4.99 for the pudding cake. $7.99 for Right Bacon. Here we have Charmin and Bounty, $5.49. We have this $1 off Charmin coupon from the P&G. And we have a $1 off of Bounty from the P&G. So I make those $4.49, which that's not the best that we've seen. And this I don't think is very good. But Colgate toothpaste, hopefully we get a $2 digital like usual. It's $1.99. We have this 1 off 1 coupon, so it'd make it 99 cents. And the Speed Stick is $1.99. Huggies are $7.99, Huggies and Pull-Ups. There might be a potential deal on that. I'm going to have to look into it. I know they're starting in Catalina at Rite Aid. I bet it'll go at Kroger too, because they usually always do. $5.99 for Oscar Mayer Deli Fresh Lunch Meat. So that's all the mega items I told us about, which there will be more. There's always way more. This is definitely not it. So come back on Wednesday for that. Now let's just talk about the regular ad. $2.99 for the Tropicana juice. Here we have buy one, get one free on the Entenmann's donuts, cakes, or Little Bites. I totally forgot. I meant to pull this coupon out too, because I'm trying to show you all the insert coupons. But the Bob Evans side dishes, we got $1.50 off of the classics, and that came in the 99 Smart Source, I believe. So if you get that one particular kind, and make them $1.50, and you have to get that one kind because they don't all, they're not all classics. Some of them are different. So yeah, look for that. 2 for $5 for Hillshire Farm smoked sausage. $4.99 for the Sabra hummus. And then here we go on the candy. They're doing it again, which is great. It's a little confusing because it says when you buy 4 or more in the same transaction. I thought you just had to buy 4, but it doesn't technically say that. I mean, I thought you had to buy in sets of 4, but this kind of makes it look like you could buy 5 or 6 and it'd be okay. But if anyone's tested that, let me know. I'm not 100% sure. I've just been buying in multiples of 4 because I don't know. It's what Kroger always has us do that, so that's a little weird. But $1.99. I don't have any coupons to show you for the Mars because I used them all, but there's a 2 off 3 coupon coming in the 10-7 Retail Me Nuts. We'll be getting new coupons tomorrow. And then for the Butterfinger, the Nestle, we have this $2 off 3 coupon that came back in the 916 Smart Source. And there's a Catalina. $2 when you buy 3, $2.50 when you buy 4, and $3 when you buy 5. So those are a really good deal. It makes those like 80-something cents each. And that's going on right now, so you can go do that now. And then for the Hershey's candies, we have this $1 off of 2 coupon from the 923 Smart Source. So you could use that coupon as well. And then here's just a bunch. Oh, I didn't mention this stuff. I'm sorry. Buy one, get one free Duncan Hines cake mix. And then here is a deal, a possible deal on these Pillsbury items. Now this is kind of confusing. They're 2 for $4. You need to pick up 4 of them, so that's $8. There's a $3 off of 4 digital store coupon. It has no mailing address on it, so that means it's a store coupon. There's also a $1 off of 3 digital manufacturer coupon. Load both of them and it'll take off $4. So you pay $4 out of pocket. There's a $1 back on 3 from Saving Start, which makes it $3 for 4 or 75 cents each. $1.99 for the private selection bread, and then buy one get one free on the Intamin's donuts, cakes, or the little bites. And here's just, they do this every week. The liquor deal. And here they're pushing bulk items, which as couponers, you know we really don't do that much. But there they're pushing some bulk items in their own store brand. Alright, buy one get one free honeysuckle turkey tenderloin, and then just a bunch of meat and seafood. I'm not going to sit and read everything. Buy one get one free Kroger chicken breasts or tenders or cutlets in the frozen. You can do way better than that on the pumpkins, usually at Aldi. So if you have an Aldi, I'd check there. You don't pay 2 for $8. Alright, the avocado is 99 cents. There's a 75 cent off a 3 printable coupon. I'll have in the description box below to print, so it'd make those 74 cents. And here, our free Friday download is a free Uncle Ben's Ready Rice. So that is it. There's quite a few deals going on at Kroger. I hope we find lots more. And we will. We'll find a lot more on Wednesday. So come back for that and check out my other videos if you haven't already from this week. And yeah, thank you so much for watching.